Welcome, dear listeners, to today's fascinating discussion on the mysteries surrounding the Egyptian pyramids. Today, we will explore the baffling question, what is inside the Great Pyramid of Giza? According to a Napoleonic legend, when Napoleon Bonaparte left the Great Pyramid of Egypt in the year 1799, he was pale and shaky, spending hours alone in the king's room. It is said that he was intrigued by the ancient walls and the room's mysterious atmosphere. No doubt, Napoleon was captivated by the sheer size and grandeur of the pyramid. But what exactly caused him to waver, shrouded in mystery? Some believe that it was the overwhelming sense of monumentality, while others speculate that he was afraid of what he might have encountered inside. No one has ever peered inside the pyramid, and we can only imagine what lies within its chambers. However, we do have a description of the king's room from the time of the pyramids. The room was believed to contain a chamber with a sarcophagus, which might hold the remains of the pharaoh. This theory is supported by the discovery of a small tomb inside the pyramid's base, but no one has ever found the sarcophagus. Another intriguing theory is that the pyramid was used as a laboratory for experiments on time and space. This is based on the fact that the interior of the pyramid is tilted at a precise angle, which is slightly different from the natural Earth's tilt. Some speculate that this was intentional, possibly for a scientific purpose. In conclusion, the Egyptian pyramids hold a unique place in history and science. Their mysterious nature has captivated leaders and explorers alike, and we continue to seek answers to the questions that remain. What is inside the Great Pyramid of Giza? Remains a secret that will likely continue to captivate the world for generations to come.